This is a new era of wearable cameras. Introducing Mokacam. This is Robbie. A new day, he gets dressed, starts a new adventure. Every day is different. Old friends say goodbye, and he meets new friends. Every moment that makes his life great, he wants to record. With Mokacam, the world's smallest 4K camera with a built-in magnet, there's no need to bring a selfie stick. No need to learn about complicated camera settings. At the push of a button, Robbie could record his life in every scenario. When the selfie needs no hands involved, only God knows how creative we can be. The rotatable screen module allows you to find the best filming angle. And here's one of many awesome innovations we've added to Mokacam. We've allowed the built-in battery of the screen to provide power to the camera as well, which doubles the battery life. In case even this doesn't provide enough battery life, Mokacam has spare batteries that simply snap on magnetically in 1 second to extend your battery life to 4 hours for video filming. Connect to Mokacam using Wi-Fi to control the camera and review the video directly. Mokacam also synchronizes your photos and videos and lets you share them instantly. Mokacam can also be used as a security camera. Set it to motion detector mode. Put it anywhere you want, and it will last for 8 hours without a power supply. Take Mokacam with you on your life adventure. Record that exciting football match, that great moment with your friends, that action-packed view from the front of your bike, or even underwater faces at that swimming pool party. Mokacam supports 10-photo burst. Never miss a cool moment. You can also film the world up to 60 meters underwater or views from the highest sky. Unlimited time-lapse duration shows the change of time and light. Join us. Record every moment that makes you unique. Let the world know you better. Please support us. Let's make the dream come true.